Hello guys, welcome back to Chur Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Discord not launching or opening, or it's not working, and how to fix this up. So the first step what you have to do is you just have to go to taskbar and you just have to right click and go to task manager and make sure that if the Discord is running over here, you just have to select and go for end task, and that is what you have to do. And moving on to the next solution is all about you just have to press Windows and R key all together. So you'll be having an option, so Windows and R key all together. So here you have to type %app data %, and you just have to press OK, and this will take you to this. And from here you just have to delete the Discord folder over here. You just have to delete it up, and this is what you have to do. And moving on, the next solution is all about you just have to press Windows and R key all together. So you'll be having one more options, like you have to search %local app data %, and you just have to press enter. And once again you just have to search for Discord, because I have already deleted it. So if you're having the Discord, then you just have to delete it, and this is what you have to do. Even after trying this, if it's not working, then what you have to do is just uninstall the Discord, and you just have to open your Google Chrome and search for Discord once again and reinstall it back. And also what you have to try is, even if that is also not working, then you just have to run the Discord. You just have to run the Discord on the run as administrator, and most probably this should be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.